Hello friends, now we are going to study the cascade connection of two-port network. Here we have been given two network, that is this is first network, this is second network. Now if we connect in cascade connection means the output of first network should be equal to input of second network like this. I'm adding with the blue pen here. Means we can say I2 dash will be equal to I1 double dash and V2 dash is equal to V1 double dash. Now we are going to write the first terms equation these into matrix. Like if we can write V1 dash I1 dash is equal to A dash B dash C dash D dash. This is V2 dash I2 dash. I have not written here minus because the current direction is outside. If it would have been inside, then here it had been minus, but the current direction is outside, that is why we have taken plus. Now we can write the second network like in matrix form. V1 double dash I1 double dash is equal to A double dash B double dash C double dash D double dash, and here it will be V2 double dash I2 double dash. Now we are going to use this, means we are going to put the value of V2 dash and I2 dash in terms of V1 dash and I1 double dash. So putting these values, what we are getting is V1 dash I1 dash should be equal to A dash B dash C dash D dash, and here V2 dash and I2 dash can be represented as V2 dash means V1 double dash and I2 dash means I1 double dash. Now we are going to put the values in the next. V1 dash I1 dash is equal to A dash B dash C dash D dash V1 double dash I1 double dash. We can write A dash B dash C dash D dash, and from here we can put the values. So this will be A double dash B double dash C double dash D double dash, and it will be V2 double dash I2 double dash. Let us assume this plus minus V1 is equal to V1 dash is the final input and the I1 is the final input current. In the same way, plus minus V2 is the final output voltage and I2 is the final current. So putting all this value, we can get V1 I1 is equal to A dash B dash C dash D dash and A double dash B double dash C double dash D double dash, and here it will be V2 and I2. So whenever there is a cascade connection available and we need to write the relation between the main input and the main output, then we need to calculate the ABCD matrix for both the network, and directly we can write in terms of V1 I1 and V2 I2 like this. Means we have to calculate the ABCD parameter in terms of matrix, and if we can multiply this, then we can get the final answer. So here it is all about the cascade connection. Thank you.